Hey there, tech heads. Hope you all are having a wonderful day and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at my favorite iOS 14 features. Now, like we all know, iOS 14 was released about a month ago. Officially, we had betas earlier than that, but the official iOS 14 was released about a month ago. And I know a lot of people have been uploading videos about their home screen setup and their favorite features and so on and so forth. But today we're going to be taking a look at a couple of my favorite features, a couple of hidden features. And if you guys really enjoyed this video, then we might make it a series. Now, with all that said, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so today we're going to be using the iPhone XS Max as our model for the iOS 14 features. These are not all the features, but they're just my favorite. So first of all, Apple did a lot to improve Safari with iOS 14, but some people still want to use Google Chrome as their default internet browser. Now, all you have to do is go to Settings, locate Google Chrome in the Apps section, and when you tap on it to open, you will see default browser app. Now you can change that from Safari to Google Chrome, and then every link you click on afterwards will open in Chrome as your default browser. Now, the next feature is in the camera. Previously, when you wanted to change the resolution of your videos and the frame rate, you would have to go to the settings app, but now you can do that natively from the camera by just tapping the right corner. So the top right corner, you can see you can change it from HD to 4K, from 30 FPS to 60 FPS, and back to HD and back to 30 FPS. So it saves you a lot of time from having to go to the settings app and change it from there. Alright, so next up, did you know you could hide an entire section of your home screen? So just tap and hold in jiggle mode and then tap on the circles at the bottom. Here you will see a layout of your home screen. You can see edit pages there. So just uncheck the screen you want to hide and that's it. You can see that page is no longer on the home screen. And if you want to bring it back or if you want to unhide it, all you have to do is tap and hold again back into jiggle mode, tap on the dots at the bottom and then check that page again in order to unhide it or in order to bring it back. It's as simple as that. Pretty cool feature, I think. Okay, so next up here we could see that Apple did a lot to work on compactness. So calls no longer take up the entire screen when you receive one, and you can swipe it up and you will see this tiny call notification in the top left. If you tap on it, then the call takes up the entire screen and you can choose to accept or decline. Also, Siri no longer takes up the entire screen as well. As you can see, Siri is just this tiny bubble at the bottom of the screen. Oh, and if you're enjoying the video this far, a subscription would be wonderful. Now, how many times have you taken a selfie on your iOS device or on your iPhone and wish it never did this, which is flipping the selfie horizontally or mirroring the selfie basically? It makes the angle look weird. Now, if you want to stop this, all you need to do is go into the settings app, go to the camera settings, and in the camera settings, you're going to see an option called mirror front camera. Now, all you have to do is toggle this option, and that's basically it. So heading back into the camera app, we're going to take another selfie, and we're going to see if it mirrors the selfie or if it shows as the normal position. And checking, yes, here you can see my ugly face in the normal position, and we can delete the mirrored selfie. So yeah, I think those are the top 5 iOS 14 features for this video. I will probably make this a series, so please make sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss subsequent videos like this. So yeah, those were basically my favorite iOS 14 features. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please smash that like button and hit that subscribe button as well, as we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers and it would be awesome if we could get there quickly. Also, make sure to check out our podcast, Tech News Nerds. All the links you'll need will be in the description box below. Also in the description box, you will find links to buy any of the things I use to produce my videos as well if you're interested in that. Also check out, I've said also like 70 times in just how many seconds? With that said, you stay cool, stay safe, wear your mask as always, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Wow.